Hello guys, today we are looking at Grammarly and how to sign up and install the Chrome extension so you can use Grammarly. Grammarly is a great tool you can use to check for your grammar, to sound more professional, and they fix your mistakes. So let's just click on Get Grammarly, like go to grammarly.com first, of course, and then it's gonna say it's gonna want an email. I'm just go with Google, sign in with Google. I'll choose my email here, then you'll just go through and then it says welcome. Then you choose whichever applies to. Right now I'm in school, so put school. I am a college student. Study for engineering. The graduation, just fill it out. I mean, you could just skip, but this helps you with more stuff and be more specific. So I use this, LinkedIn, Discord. There's all these. Let's continue. And then you can download it for Windows. That's gonna say install. And then you're just gonna double click it. Or just click it once. It's gonna start loading. It takes a second, so let's just be patient. Then here it is, it says sign in. We already made an account, so okay, now we're signed in. Let's continue Grammarly. Let's open Grammarly. And then here's the application. You can download it. I thought it was just a Chrome extension, but seems like they made a whole program or software you can use to use suggestions. So how to use it, you just go over to the red lines. The red ones usually means grammar mistakes, so fix those. Then here, the blue ones means clarity, so they'll make it more clear. So just change those. And then premium makes more better, basically. It makes it changes tone and whatnot. So let's just skip, continue. And then here you are, this is your Grammarly. You can open up a document, then just copy and paste stuff here. And it will check for grammar mistakes. So there is, let's say you just put "and" by accident. It's gonna fix it real quick. So it's really good for like essays. You just paste your essay in here. But let's say you want to work on it while you're doing your essay, just go to Chrome Web Store. And then you can get the extension, Chrome extension. It also has a Chrome extension where it just automatically checks every grammar. So let's just this. To add it, you just click add extension. It has good reviews, over 10 million users, which is really good. Then now it says active, so whenever you type something, it's gonna check for grammar. Review, accept, and then you could like do the same way, check. Then now you have installed Grammarly on your computer, and that's how you use it. Thank you for watching.